In this video, I'll guide you how to create new folder and new file in Anaconda Navigator. So please learn step by step. It is the very easiest way. Nobody will tell you these steps because these are the easiest steps. You can create folder and file by using Anaconda Navigator. So before this, please like and subscribe this channel because this is the great encouragement for me. So first you need to go on the search bar and you will write Anaconda Navigator. And here you will write Anaconda Navigator. Write Anaconda Navigator. So Anaconda Navigator is present here. I will click on the Anaconda Navigator. So it will going to initialize here. So it has opened. So different IDs, integrated development environment is present in the Anaconda Navigators. So first PyCharm and other Anaconda, AI Navigator, Anaconda Toolbox. So I will go on the Jupyter Notebook. I will click on the Jupyter Notebook. But in your case, it will install here. Install button will be here. You will click on the install. But here in my case, because I have already installed, so I will click on the launch. So this is the environment where you can create your folder because different folders are already present. There's desktops, contacts, desktops, documents, downloads. So you will click on the desktop. So this is the my folder desktop, then Kafeel Python, and here I will create a new file. I will click on the Python 3, right? So this is the environment where I can write it down my program. So this is your environment, but here I can check. So before this, I will check where is my file is created. So I will go on the desktop. So this is the Kafeel Python. I will click on the Kafeel Python. Here are the one file and one folder have been created, but this file is untitled, right? So I will close this one, and then again go to the environment. Then I will click on the untitled because I will rename this file. So here I will write my first demo. So I will rename this. Then I will minimize this one and I will go again here. You can see my first demo here is my file. So I have successfully created my first demo file in the Anaconda Navigator. Again, I will go on the environment. So here is the environment where you can write your program. In the next video, I will guide you how to create a new cell and how you can write your program. So I will write one line program here and I will show is it working or not. So I will click here. I will write print, right? And I will write my channel name here. I will run. So you can see here is the Kafeel AI and tech. So it has run properly. So this is all about the basic environment of the Anaconda Navigator. I have already told you how to download, how to install, and now I have told you how to open the Anaconda Navigator and how you can create folder and file in the Anaconda Navigator. So further on, I will tell you how to create cells and how to work on this environment. So this is all about. Thank you very much for watching.